We're gonna make this basil simple syrup. Sugar.
Little sugar.
Equal parts water and sugar.
Water.
Put that in there, and then I have this beautiful fresh basil here. Give it a nice stir, and then you have this.
Basil simple syrup.
And you can really infuse your syrup with any herb. These are my herb gardening kits that I've done with Back to the Roots.
I love this so much. And you know what else is nice? You know what else is nice? Today it came with one of these little tags that Ayesha brought one of her kitchen herb garden sets by Back to the Roots for everyone. So everyone, you can turn your windowsill into a garden. So you can all turn your windowsills into a garden, and then you can do some day drinking at home.
We have our simple syrup here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit into here. Boop.
To the pitcher.
Peach nectar. We have a little rosé. A lot of rosé.
A lot of rosé.
All right. Some ice in there.
Yes, baby.
Perfect. And then we'll give it a nice shake, right? Now, I'm no bartender, but I can make a drink. Do you want to put some ice in there?
No bartender, but I can make a drink. Where'd
All right.
they get the sass? I want it. You're going to open this,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. You know, I think I want to open this, but with the holidays
You don't
around,
want to break a nail.
I don't want to break a nail, so I'm going to use a knife. Is that okay?
Sure.
Is that okay? Is it okay if I use a knife
Don't
to
you
open
want to
this
see
champagne bottle?
this beautiful mama open that saber style? Yes!
All right,
Woo!
here we go. On the count of 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! All right, we top it off with a little Wow.
This is how she rolls.
Sparkling wine.
This is legit. That's who she is. I love
Me.
you.
I love you. All right, there we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Love
Woo!
you.